Hi everybody, today I will show you how to change WhatsApp wallpaper. First, open WhatsApp and tap on the three-dotted icon in the top right. Click on Settings. Now here, scroll down and click Appearance. Choose Default Chat Theme, and from here you can easily change the theme or your wallpaper. For example, there are already existing themes here. So if I click on, for example, this one, the theme will look something like this. If I select this one, it will look something like this. So if I click tick icon and click on set theme, get back. Now if I open a chat, my chat will look something like this. Now I can get back to the same page by navigating to appearance, click on default chat theme. And if I would want to change my theme to a wallpaper, I can click on wallpaper and choose an existing wallpaper, or I can also click on choose from gallery. Now I'll choose a picture and click on the tick icon in the top right. After I do this, the wallpaper for my WhatsApp will be instantly changed. So that's how you change WhatsApp wallpaper. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.